Here you can see the siding that I started putting on. We're going to look at the back of it because I got in a hurry and to get it on. And then you can see over here on this side, you can see some of the furring strips. I've got to put some more around the doors, around this door. There's going to be a window about where that ladder is in back of that. And then you can see over here the OSB that's over here, and I got to finish that. On the other side, we're going to look at that. Some unique ways to try to fill in the top. I used power grip at the top, Loctite power grip at the top, and then I put foam in that to stick it. And then over here I put some a piece of galvanized steel that's at a 90-degree angle, and then over here more foam, and I got to put some caulk, and I've got to put a straight board across there. Over here, this is what I should have done, is put a board up there and then put the foam onto the siding. Same down here. I might take this panel off, this one right here, and put that foam down there, especially down at the bottom, so that I don't get air and water coming in there. Same up here, more foam behind that panel. Again, down here, no foam. There's no foam over there. So got some work to do. Should have done it a little bit different, maybe. Now this is the OSB here from the inside. Right here is a metal stud, and then over here these studs were a little bit longer, so I decided to double them up. I put one facing north and south and another one facing east and west, and sort of joined them together. Same over here. And then this is a window kit that I got from VersaTube. I've already cut out the window there, and I did some work to try to waterproof that. This is the next panel, piece of OSB 4x8, and just like over here, I sort of pieced together a couple of pieces to make this panel at the top. I cut a bunch of 2-inch pieces that's going to go around the door.